Let's say that you're a recruiting freelancer and you're on the lookout for new customers to sell your services to, and you just find this amazing list of startups that could be potential customers. Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is with Strawberry Browser to just extract all of these companies, put them into a sheet, and then for each company, find what their tech stack is, and also find the talent acquisition people at that company on LinkedIn so I can reach out to them. Now, to start, I'm simply going to open the sidebar here, create a new chat, and I'm just going to ask it to extract everything. So please extract all the company name, description, funding details, location, website, URL. And our AI agent is now going to look at the page, and as you can see, it's simply going to output all of these websites in the structure that we asked for. All right, there we go. We now have all of these copied from the page, so I'm simply going to copy that, and I can paste it into our sheet here. Now, what we're going to do next is we're actually going to create a new companion that we're going to teach, kind of like an intern, how to research each company's tech stack and then find the talent acquisition people at each company. And I'm going to do this by, again, opening the sidebar, and then I'm going to press New Companion here. And I'm going to create a new companion called Tech Stack Terry. Now, to teach Tech Stack Terry how he should do his research, I've prepared a prompt here, which says, for each listed company in the sheet, I want you to research what tech stack they are using inside their product. I currently have a developer that is great at headless UI, Kubernetes, and a few other things that I'd like to find a company for. If any of the listed companies match this profile, I want you to find the LinkedIn profiles of the talent acquisition people at that company. Okay, great. I'm going to then open Terry. I'm going to create a new chat, and I'm simply going to ask him to do the research. Do the research. And now, as you'll be able to see, Terry is going to look at the sheet first, extract all of these companies, and then he's going to actually, for each company, create a scout that will find the requested information. And as you can see here, it's creating all of these AI-controlled tabs in the background that are going to be crawling around on different pages, finding relevant information. And what's really great about Strawberry is that when you're running a companion in the background like this, you can actually just close this down and go and do other work whilst it's working in the background, and you'll get a notification when it's done. Awesome. Tech Stack Terry is now done. He has researched all of these different companies, looking at job postings, blog posts, everything to see what their tech stack is. And now he has suggested some companies that we should reach out to. But first, I'm going to ask him to augment this sheet that we already have with the information it found. This sheet with the data you found. There we go. Awesome. Now he has added all of these new columns to our sheet. I'm now going to ask him if he can actually reach out on LinkedIn to the best potential match with a template message that I'll create now. I'll start by creating a new chat. There we go. Cool. Terry looked at the sheet and has now created another batch of research agents to actually find the LinkedIn profiles of talent acquisition people at the most promising companies. And once it has found this, it's actually going to start a browsing agent that is going to go into LinkedIn and connect with the people with the template that I just gave it. All right, and here we have the results. And now, as you can see, it is starting the browser agent that is going to run in a separate AI control tab. And this is actually going to connect with the person from that talent acquisition team. Now we can see Tech Stack Terry has taken control over the tab, and we'll be clicking around, typing in the connection message to the talent acquisition person at Databricks. And of course, it's going to ask for permission before it sends it. And it's actually going to ask for permission before it does anything that involves writing or changing something in any web service. There we go. There's the outreach message. And here in the sidebar, we can see that we've gotten the confirmation. I found the person at Databricks. I'm prepared to send the message, and I can even give some input on this. And of course, I'm not going to send this because I'm not actually a freelancing recruiter, but this was a demo to show how easy it is to create quite powerful AI agents that can research and automate work for you without needing to write code. You can just type to it and teach it as if it were an intern. And we currently have a waiting list open on our website. So if you would like to try this yourself, please go to our website and check out the waiting list.